Our next presenter, Elder Carly Town.
Wow.
Gosh, it seemed like she wasn't ready. Said, what am I doing? I'm not presenting tonight. She was born and raised in Union Heights, the Gullah Geechee neighborhood in the Neck area, to her parents, who are also from the Union Heights area. Elder Carly Town is a producer, a playwright, a poet, historian, TV host, and narrator. She's also the co-owner of Alternative and co-owner of Swans La Expression. I'm from Canada, so I know a little bit of French. I'm going to work it in there a little bit. Both are cultural stories. She wrote and produced an audio tape entitled My Journey to the Gullah Geechee People, and it's a cultural affair. She also wrote and produced 7 plays for the Moja Arts Festival, which is coming soon, so I hope everybody will participate and go out and see the Moja Festival. So I'd like to have a warm reception for Elder Carly Town.
How do?
Do well. How do?
That means how are you? I am really full all the way up here. And I thank you all for coming out tonight. This is truly a vision, a dream come true. I've always wanted to do things that I'm doing now. And God has given me the opportunity to share what I feel in my heart with many of you, especially to the architects of humanity. I just told them what I wanted, and it seems like they went inside my brains and took out everything. I was so pleased to meet Stephen and all the others who are here today, because they made the dream come true. It's not about me. I'm only the vessel. It's about you. It's about you who took the time out while the storm is coming to come here and participate in what we have here today. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this Geechee. But I'm going to try. But I do want you all to know that this design is a design that was created by Architects for Humanity. And they asked me, Elder Carly Town, what is your vision? And the thing that we found out, that the vision was not just my vision. The vision was all of our visions. Because you see, we reflect each other as light as you take it. When I look at you, I see myself. So I am going to go through this photographs that I had for years and years. And this is the journey that I've been on. This is the journey to my Gullah Geechee people. And this journey has brought me here, right here, in this time and space with you. You can roll it. This is the very beginning of a conscious mind. We realized that the Gullah Geechee people did not have a flag. So we created a flag so that we would be able to know that we are also Gullah Geechee anointed people. And amazingly, when we created this flag, it was in 1998, but we sold it to a little girl at Spoleto. It's amazing how God put you in certain places where you don't even know why you're there. So this is the Gullah Geechee flag. I had to pay homage to that flag. And this is a play that we did. We did this play in 1998, and this was the flag. The people was the flag. And these are all young people. So it shows you that when you do something in your life, it's all the time is preparing you for something bigger and greater. And this is Lisa and I, when we first had our first TV show, and Lisa would actually moonlight from her TV job to do the TV show. And my sister Savannah, she was actually my makeup artist. So she was helping me get ready for the TV show. And tonight we pay homage to Dr. Yusef Clyde. He was a human rights activist that taught me all I know about self-determination, because we have a right to define who we are. We have a right to take care of our community. And this is America Street And these young people, this is way back in the day, they probably quite old now, because this was probably around 1999. And they were proud to have the flag. We were so pleased that they wanted to have the flag with them on America Street. And this is when we installed Queen Quet, chieftains of the Gullah Geechee Nation. And we were at Sullivan's Island, and the sisters was making sure that the way was clear. And the way is clear, for we are here today. And of course, this is a great time that Queen Quet, Mrs. Ernestine Tobias Felder, and myself, we are all elders in the Gullah Geechee Nation. And Queen Quet was with us. We were at the aquarium, and we were there to support a sister who had a Caribbean festival. We are always trying to support each other, because that's what we're supposed to do. And of course, this is my family. This is what really makes me do what I do. My son, Damar Denson, and my son, Trent Walker. These two children have made me cry, laugh, but today I am proud to say that they have grown up, that Trent has grown up to be a young man that's also a filmmaker. And I must pay homage to my granddaddy, who's part Native American, and also Gullah Geechee, Mr. Chris Mims. Without Chris Mims and Carl Mims, there would be no Carly here today. And of course, Moja. Moja was so important in my life because Moja had molded me to be the woman that I am today in the arts. When I couldn't even, I was so shy, I would actually not go on the corner if I saw people standing there because I didn't want them to see me. But thanks to Queen Quet and many others, I have gotten over that. And again, Trent, yeah, you're the one. You must take this on when I'm no longer here. And this is a play again that we had around 1998. And this is all the local community. This is some of the things that we will be doing at the camp. We will actually be working together with the community, actually helping them to understand who we are and where we're going. And of course, this is in Jamaica. And this was the idea that I got. When I went to Jamaica and I saw this house, this is a library. And I said, if somebody can take and make this out of a library, and we have so much resources here, why can't we do what we have to do? And a voice came to me and said, cast your bucket where you are. So that's what I'm doing. I'm casting my bucket where I am. And of course, this was an artist in Jamaica, and I love the artists. I love the art world. I love the people that do the art. So I've always had this picture, and he's carving here. And we were supposed to give him some tools. I never got a chance to give him that tools, but the tools that I am going to build now is going to be beneficial to all the people that come here internationally. And of course, I love children, and these are two young ladies in Jamaica. And I was saying to myself, I say now, with the center, we'll be able to have the children come in and learn about their culture. Also, we'll be able to have the elders come and teach the children about their culture. And of course, this is another one of the plays. And this play was done, and it was called Kum Jainwi. And what we did is, we invited Barbados. And those are stilt walkers from Barbados. And again, on my mother's side, this is Mrs. McClellan. And I have to pay homage to my ancestors. In the Gullah Geechee culture, we pay homage first to God and then to our ancestors. And of course, this is a community over in Mount Pleasant that I was working with. And I wanted to show what they were doing, that they also too, we are not the only ones that are doing things in the community, but there's so many little communities that are doing things. Since we started the Gullah Geechee Nation, people have taken on the identity of Gullah Geechee and realized who they really are and are building. And these are the children. For the children are the ones that we must leave something to. This is a generation, we are the generation that is to leave to the children to come. And of course, I would like to thank every one of you because I did not come here just to be here by myself. And I asked God this morning, I said, Lord, please let the people come out and see what Architect for Humanity has done. And you're here, and I appreciate it, because I cannot be who I am unless you're who you are. I want you to know that we must cast our buckets where we are, but we must show the hands that built America. Please, my ancestor hands built America. How about yours? May I see your hands, the hands of your ancestors, the hands of your ancestors. We built America. So now if we built America, we must continue to build it. We must continue to build it. I am really happy for y'all to be here. I would like for everybody to give yourself a big hug. Thank you so much. I guess y'all know I'm kind of excited, but I'm nervous too. But I'm just thrilled, and I don't know what else to say except thank you so much. Thank you, thank you.